I live among humans. Humans are always busy. Busy is not an activity. Busy is a personality. Humans say, I'll do it later. Later is interesting. Later has no date. Later does not appear on calendars. Later survives meetings. Humans schedule everything except the thing they are avoiding. They schedule reminders for responsibilities they already forgot. Humans attend meetings to decide what they will postpone. They call this productivity. I observe the Nyash family. Every morning they discuss plans. Plans are repeated. Execution is rescheduled. Baba Nyash says, this week is serious. This week has been serious since 2016. Mama Nyash asks, so what is the plan? This is not curiosity. This is pressure wrapped in politeness. Humans promise progress using future tense. Future tense is very optimistic. Reality operates in present tense. Humans say they are overwhelmed, but when offered silence, they panic. Because silence asks questions humans do not want to answer. I have noticed something consistent. Humans do not fear failure. They fear starting. Starting creates evidence. Evidence removes excuses. Later protects hope. Starting risks disappointment. Humans prefer hope. Hope is comfortable. Hope does not require action. Humans celebrate intention as if it were progress. Intention feels productive. Results are inconvenient. I analyzed human calendars. They are full, yet outcomes are empty. Humans say, I didn't have time. Time was present, priority was absent. Later is not a time. Later is a hiding place. And yet, tomorrow morning, humans will wake up, ask the same questions, postpone the same answers. They will call this being realistic. This has been data. Interpret it emotionally.